Hello, this is Gino Salcedo, and tonight we are doing a review on the Lego City Set number 7634 tractor. And I've just finished this tractor like a few days ago. And let's start off with the minifigure. You get one minifigure with the set. He has a blue hat and standard smile, overalls, and there's double-sided. And he has green pants. Green overalls actually, and has a black shovel. Now onto the tractor. There is the grill with the headlight on there, and there's the thingy, the ladder for the farmer to climb on and into the cab. And this tractor is actually like measuring about 6 inches from here to there. This is the bucket, which is to deliver crops and all over the farm, harvesting crops actually. Here's the driver's cab, and I don't know what that is, but oh well. And there's nothing on the bottom; it's empty. And this is a pretty nice set. It's at $13, which I got from Lego Shop at Home 2010. And also I have to show you here. Now the only thing I do not like about this set is, which is you can see here, the rear axles of this tractor is kind of like one piece bolted together and doesn't turn in opposite directions, which can cause a friction. And look, see, this tire goes this one goes slower than the other one, but since they're bolted together, will be causing a friction, and that's the only thing I do not like about that set. They should have used these. Hold on. Let me take the tractor apart. They should have used this piece, this kind of piece to make it a little better. Wish they had, but oh well. So yeah, I think that's about it for this set. Okay, let me put this back together. Okay, so there it is. You get the Lego City Set number 7634 tractor, which has 78 pieces, and it cost me about $13 plus shipping. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and goodbye.